people who have used Reels may wonder where and how to find reel drafts on Instagram. This feature is becoming more popular on social media, so it's important for influencers and Instagram users who use it a lot to learn the basics. Like where these reels are in this day and age. Entertainment has always been easy to get. Short videos show up here and there to keep people of all ages interested. The Instagram app's Reels feature is one of these platforms. Instagram Reels are useful, especially if you want to share videos that you think are beautiful or just make beautiful reels to show to other people. Through other people's reels, we can see their creativity or just glimpses of their lives. Instagram Reels can be made in the Reels tab or with the Instagram app button. To create new reels, simply tap the camera icon on the top right of the screen. Then you will be introduced to the edit mode of your reel. This consists of a button to add music from the Instagram music library, a button to change your duration, the speed of your reel, the layout, and the timer. To start recording, hold the circle in the middle of your screen. You can also add photos and videos from your phone's gallery by clicking the plus symbol. After recording, you can choose either to publish the video clip, draft reel, or discard it. We don't always want to post a reel just yet. The Instagram Reel has a great feature that lets you save a video clip as a draft. To save draft reel on Instagram, make a new reel, then tap on the cross mark icon on the top left of the screen. This shows a pop-up, discard entire video, then tap on the Save Draft option. Accessing the sharing screen, where you can crop your profile picture, tag people, etc. And then tapping the Save Draft button at the bottom of the app is another way. Instagram Reel drafts are in the Reels tab, along with the reels you've already uploaded. To find the Reels section, proceed to the profile page of your Instagram account. The Reels tab is located in the center. This only appears when you have posted a Reels video or saved a reel draft. Tap the drafts in which you can find draft reels. That's it. If you think that this video is helpful, we would appreciate it if you can leave a like, subscribe to our channel, or share this video to your friends. This can greatly help in making sure that Google's algorithm can find and recommend this video to others.